Accessibility Checklist H. Pages shall be designed to avoid causing the screen to flicker with a frequency greater than 2 Hz and lower than 55 Hz. What does this mean to you? Using optical illusion images, also known as visual illusions, as well as strobing or flickering images in class or online could cause your students to have a seizure or cause another medical issue. We will show examples of these in case you're unsure of what these are, or you can also use a quick Google search to find examples of these as well. Note, if you may be susceptible to photoepileptic seizures, please skip forward to the time shown on the screen. No flickering images, blinking images, or other animations will be shown past that point in the video. Here's an example of an optical or visual illusion. If you do require for instructional purposes that these be used in class or online, ensure that you give the students ample notice before showing the item, as well as not making that activity a required activity. Here's an example of a strobing or flickering image. I'll only show this for a few seconds. It can be quite disorienting. Again, if this is something you must use for instructional purposes, ensure that the students have ample notice of what they're about to be shown and that the activity is optional. When you're working with students in the classroom, displaying a simple PowerPoint slide or a bit of text on the screen will help to prevent accidental incidents that could occur. Your students should already know whether or not they may have issues viewing these typed items, but again, make this activity optional for those who think it may give them maybe a migraine, a seizure, or cause a medical condition to flare up. When sharing these typed items online, whether it be via a website, course documents, or maybe your eCampus, be sure that you give a bit of text as a warning on the screen before showing that item. Placing a warning directly above that item where they could possibly scroll and see it accidentally would not be preferable. You could add a separate slide with the warning message, as shown here. You could also create a new item within eCampus and attach the warning message to that. Or you could create a new document specifically just for these typed items. Basically, you want to ensure that the student has to actively go to the item in order to see it. Lastly, always make items like these optional so that those who cannot view these items are not penalized. Having a few different options is always a good idea when using these typed items in your course. Using these precautionary tips will help to avoid any incident inside your course, whether it be face-to-face or online. Note, these tutorials are not designed to be comprehensive training resources, but rather to be used as tools for success. Achieving accessibility is a continuous process of training, learning, and practice. Use these tutorials as quick reminders of the skills you have acquired and to help with applying these guidelines to your course.